all heard a lot of buzz about sonic cleansing. So what is it? And how is it different from other skin treatments? Cleansing is the essential first step in a healthy skincare regimen. Without proper cleansing, makeup, oil, and debris can affect the appearance and health of your skin. Clarisonic sonic cleansing systems help remove impurities, clear pores, and thoroughly cleanse. The sonic cleansing method works to beautifully transform your skin's texture and appearance in just 1 minute a day. And it's great for all skin types and many skin conditions, from dry, aging skin to oil-prone and problematic skin. There's nothing else like it on the market today. It's the #1 cleansing system recommended by U.S. dermatologists. Our patented technology uses a sonic frequency of more than 300 oscillations per second to gently clear skin and remove impurities. There's no spinning or abrasion. It's gentle yet powerful. We call that gentle power, and it won't irritate your skin. The result is noticeably smoother, softer, more radiant skin. Studies show that using the sonic cleansing method twice daily is more effective than cleansing with your hands alone. It's 6 times more effective at removing makeup, and cleaner skin means your skincare products will absorb better. Plus, it's safe and gentle to use, suitable for people with sensitive skin. Within weeks, you'll see the benefits of using your Clarisonic products. Your skin will be healthier, clearer, and brighter with a smoother texture and refined pores. Clarisonic has a variety of sonic cleansing systems that will fit your skincare needs and lifestyle. To learn more about sonic cleansing technology and products, check out the rest of our Quick Start video series.